Ewan Lewis yn colli'r bêl, Feel mlaen at Snaith. Ar ôl beniad, ydy Hulbert, ac ar dacl dosbos i Feel, ac am waith hyfryd ar y linell gan y capten Jack Thorne. Mi o'n i'n meddwl fod Feel yn mynd i daro honna i gefn y rhwyd. Gwaith dyngedfennol fyna gan gapten Aberystwyth Jack Thorne. Mi oedd e'n edrych fel bod Jamie Feel yn mynd i sgorio i'r Barri. Ond Jack Thorne yn neud i waith yn wych fyna yn y diwedd. Seinti, mae'r Barri yn dal i dod. Seinti, mae e'n gryf, cyfle am groesiad. Seinti ar croesiad dros ben Hulbert, y mae at Snaith! A'r Barri sydd ar y blaen. Mi ddath Jamie Feel yn agos rhyw 2 funud yn ôl. Gwaith hyfryd gan yr amddiffynwr Seinti, y croesiad dros ben Hulbert. A Sam Snaith yn sgorio i 5 gôl o'r tymor yn y gyngred. A'i Feel neu Cottrell. Feel dros ben y mur. Yr arbediad yn y diwedd gan Dave Jones. A mi nath Feel yn dda i gael hwnna dros y mur. I ni wedi chwarae 62 o funudau. Cookman ar ei dro'r chwith, felly Cookman. A mae wedi gwneud syth eibio! A mae Aberystwyth yn gyfartal. Yr hediad ar draws wyneb y gôl. A ddiodd Mike Lewis ddim yn agos i'r bêl. A Cookman sydd wedi dod ag Aberystwyth yn gyfartal ac am gôl dyngedfennol. 20 munud yn weddill y gêm yn y fantol. Jamie Feel a'r croesiad at Cottrell, y capten. Ddi ar y postyn! Mor anffodus i'r capten a mergyd. Wel, ni oedd Cottrell yn barod i ddathlu fyna. Feel at Seinti. Draw at George. George yn neud yn wych. George i fenw'r Cwrs Gosby at McLagan. A gan rediad. A Hulbert! Oli Hulbert yn sgorio 11 gôl ar 10 o'r tymor yn y gyngred. A mae'r Barri nôl ar y blaen. Gwaith hyfryd gan George ar yr ochr draw. O'ch chi'n meddwl bod McLagan yn mynd i sgorio gyda'i gynnig gyntaf ers dod mlaen fel eilydd. Ond y bêl yn syrthio i Oli Hulbert ac ynte yn claddu'r ergyd. 8 o funudau yn weddill, y Barri 2, Aberystwyth 1. Jones clirio ar ôl beniad gan Richards. Jonathan Evans yw yn cam sefyll am gyfle fan hyn i Aberystwyth. Jonathan Evans, mae dal i fynd os yna'n gysgo Smotyn. Na, medde'r dyfarnwr, edrychwch ar chwaraewyr Aberystwyth. Maen nhw'n gofyn, maen nhw'n ymbil am gic o'r Smotyn. A di'r chwaraewyr nag Anthony Williams y rheolwr yn gallu credu'r penderfyniad gan y dyfarnwr Nicholas Pratt.
Anthony, tough way to finish any game, I'm sure, but ultimately, I'm sure you'll agree that maybe your first half performance wasn't quite up to it today.
Yeah, 1 or 2 players played out of position today. Injury suspensions from last week, so I knew how to fill in positions. One illness as well, so it was a bit of a patched up front line, which ultimately looked the first half really poor. We changed different tactics second half and addressed it. It worked. We got back in the game. Just disappointing to concede so late on. I think we got back in the game with 1 or 2 chances just before that. I know we got right our luck at times, especially the second half on the crossbar, but it's just disappointing the time of the goal.
You were in a similar position last year, coming down to the last game of the season. You've done it before. I guess you've got full confidence that you can do the same again next Sunday.
This time last year, it wasn't in our hands. It's in our hands, so that's ultimately what we can ask for. Where we've been since early doors and start of the season to where we are now, it's chalk and cheese. So we know we got confidence in there, we got belief in there, and we go into that game. There'll be a packed out crowd at our place. I think it was the highest crowd of the season, the league last year, and it's likely to be the same again. So if they get behind us, we'll put a performance on for them, and all well and good, we'll be smiling next week.
Just a word on your captain, Jordan Cottrell. Almost the perfect way, if that shot would have gone in, that would have been a perfect way for him to finish his career here at Barri. I'm sure he means a lot to you personally, the staff and the players and the crowd here.
Yeah, you know, Jordan's service to the club has been outstanding. To, you know, have 11 years at a football club is incredible, really. So nice that the fans, his family and friends had a chance to pay tribute to his service. And yeah, it would have been a magical moment if that goal that hit the sort of crossbar and the post in one would have flown in, and it could have been a brilliant day. But delighted to get a win, and obviously on his last home game here.